and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and I am KaylayCreates. Today I'm going to be reviewing the March Boxycharm because I am obsessed and I literally got it today and I wanted to play with it. But if you guys want to see me try on all the products and see how I got this look, just follow along. Okay, so the first product that we have for this month is actually a skincare one. I'm a little bit hesitant with skincare because I have really sensitive skin, but this one actually seemed really cool. It is from South Main Beauty. It's under eye gels. The little box looks like this. Kind of cute. I like it. And their thing says, our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. They normally go for $10, which is kind of cool because they have 3 of them. So the little package looks like this. It says thoroughly cleanse eye product area, thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes. To reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. Well, you guys aren't going to see me use it for 3 consecutive days. You're going to see the first one. I'm going to go wash my face and I'll be right back to apply them. Okay, so my face is all washed. I just used my Burt's Bees Sensitive Face Wash. So I'm going to try these little babies. Okay, they're a little tray. Oh my god. Oh man. Okay, the tray is full of liquid. And I'm spilling it all over myself. Alright. Oogie. I don't know which way they go. They probably don't matter, right? They're pink. Ooh, these feel good. I think I look beautiful. I'm afraid to move my face too much because I'm afraid they're gonna like slip and fall. Yeah, and I think they're kind of sliding down my face already. So it is about 2:12 right now. I am going to actually lay down so that these things don't slide off my face. And I will be back and I will, it's dripping. And I will let you know how my eyes look. Alright, so it has been 30 minutes and these babies are ready to come off. Let's see. Do I look less puffy? Do I look more moisturized? I'm gonna zoom you guys in, let you guys see it for yourself. Let me know what you think. I don't know. But the next thing in the box, oh yeah, I didn't show you guys the card. It's really cute. It's Vacation. It's kind of lame, the name, but whatever. So it looks like I have a little bit of prep to do before I can move on to the next one, which is an eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, get my eyes all ready, and then I will be right back. Okay, so brows are done, and my lids have the primer on it. So next is this pretty thing. I love eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharm. This is the The Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. It originally goes for $36. $36. That pays for the box. The box is $21 a month. Pays for the box. And it says, this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into the look. That's cool. That's a cool way to put it. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome effect. That's pretty cool. All I know is that I like it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's like kind of quilted looking. I'm trying to get the right angle. No, you're not gonna be able to see it at all. It's kind of quilted with like hearts on it, And this is what it looks like. There's a mirror, you guys can see my window. But yeah, they're really pretty shades. I'm pretty excited. This seems like a pretty everyday palette for someone like me. Typically I go for cooler shades, but in the summer I'm definitely gonna like these pretty shades. So I'm just gonna swatch a few. I'm gonna do, that's Squad. Ooh, ATL. Mia. Boxy Black. And BFF. They all look really nice to me. I'm just going to swatch them on the back of my hand. Okay. Wow, okay. That's really exciting. That's really pretty. All right. So I'm just going to start out with the shade Purfect. It's this really light tan one. I'm just going to pop that all over my lid just to set my primer. It feels really creamy. And the pigmentation is actually there. Normally, lighter shades like this I struggle with a bit. Alright. Before I move on to the rest of the eye look, I'm going to talk about the next product. It's these. So they are the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. It originally goes for $23.15 for 3 brushes. It comes with 3 brushes in there. It says this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush, and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. The smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash line. That's cool that it tells you what to do. I'm gonna do what I want because I want to see how these brushes work for what I want, because I typically don't do my eyeshadow in that order, but we will see. The box is really pretty with the checkers and everything. Oh, cool. It has, oh, it says that the packaging is recycled, and you get 25% off online orders at thevintagecosmeticcompany.com, and it expires June 30th, and the checkout code is SMOKY25. So if any of my followers who are not Boxycharm people, use it. Oh, they're bigger than I expected. I thought they were going to be minis like the last time. So this is what they look like. They say the Vintage Company on them. I like them. They're really soft. They're definitely soft. I should have used this one to pack a color on. I think this is supposed to be the smudger brush. Or is this one supposed to be the flat one? This one's supposed to be a smudger. Oh, they have the steps on the back. Oh, whoa. This one, it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl go. Oh, that's so cute. All right. I like that. I have to say I like that. I'm going to use the angled brush that they gave me and use this peachy color here called Belle. And I'm just going to pack that into my crease. Ooh. Okay, that's really pigmented. Oh, that's nice. Okay. That made me nervous. I'm not used to white bristles, really, so that just made me really nervous. This is just to give a little bit of transition color into the crease. It's a little bit stiff for a crease brush. Let me see, maybe circles would work better. That looks nice. Everything on my camera always looks so much brighter than it does in person. Kind of like it. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to use this cranberry shade. It's called ATL, and it's a shimmer. just gonna use my finger to pop that onto my lid. Okay, it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, maybe my finger isn't the best bet. Let's take one of those brushes. Use that flat brush, and I'm gonna wet it with some of my setting spray. There we go. Okay. That's what I wanted. Where did I put everything? Alright, then I'm going to go back in with that same fluffy brush and just blend everything out. I'm not sure if I like these brushes too much. Alright. That's pretty. And then I'm going to use the smudger brush, and I'm just going to go in with this boxy black color. It intrigues me. It's a it's a shimmer. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so much darker than I expected. Okay. And then back in with this. Alright, that's like a lot more black than I was expecting it to be. Whoops. But I like it. Okay. Alright. And then last but not least, I'm going to go in with this champagne-y. Again, champagne-y. Looks pink on the camera, but it's really a light gold champagne color. And I'm going to use that. It's called the Charmer. And I'm just going to pop that in the middle to give myself some dimension back. And I wanted to see if the duochrome thing would work. Maybe. Maybe a little bit. Maybe. I'm going to do the other eye and eyeliner and a whole lot of other stuff, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did a lot. Did most of my base face makeup, did my eyeliner. It's a little bit longer than I normally do it, but whatever. I did contoured bronzer because the next thing that I have is blush. I'm not a big blush girl, but this color is actually really pretty, and I really like the brand. It is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush, and it goes for $26. It's really pretty. Like, look how gorgeous that is. That's luxe. And it's just plastic, but it looks really pretty. It says, Make Them Blush Powder Blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long-wearing and highly pigmented. Ooh, so be careful. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. What do you pair a blush with? That's a weird comment. Yeah, no, that's kind of strange, but it's really pretty. I got the shade Hush Blush. Looks like this, and I'm gonna be really careful. I'm just using my my Luxie 514 blush brush. Ooh, yeah. Gotta tap some of that off. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Put a little bit too much on still after. Okay. I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit with a fluffy brush because that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. I like it. It's very pigmented. Next time I do it, I'm not going to be using so much, but that's really pretty. Alright, and then last but not least for this box is this right here. I'm not really sure how I feel about this, because I try as hard as I can to only use cruelty-free makeup. The only time that I don't is when it's sent to me in a box like this, because what else am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to throw it out? I feel like then that's just a waste, and then what's the point, you know? I wish that Boxycharm had an option that I could put in only cruelty-free makeup. If you hear me, if you know how to do it, let me know, because I'm trying. I only buy cruelty-free makeup myself, but the Butter London, their website says that they don't test on animals, but they're not on the PETA website, they're not on Jumping Bunny, they're not on any of the cruelty-free websites. So I'm not sure how I feel about this. But anyway, sorry for my rant. Marine biologist. But so this is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. It goes for $20. It says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314 increase in lash curl. That's a random number. That's pi right there. 3.14. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grafts each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. So, I mean, the box is cute. What does it look like on the inside? Ooh, that's a big bottle. That's a big bottle. Compared to, like, it's really big. Alright, and what's so great about this brush? I always wipe the tip off of my mascara because or else I get it on my face. But if you guys can see it, I don't really know what's so great about it. It's really big. Kind of looks random, not gonna lie. I'm gonna zoom in. I have really long eyelashes to begin with, and all of my extensions have fallen out by now. It feels nice on my lashes. It does not feel like it's pulling or anything, which is kind of nice. I'm a horrible judge of mascara. To me, mascara is mascara. The only reason why I have high-end ones is because either I've gotten them for a present, which is why I have this little baby right here, the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte, my Tarteist one. They're all sent to me, or they're presents and stuff. To me, I love actually Wet n Wild ones. Alright, they look really nice on my lower lashes, not gonna lie. Alright, I like it. And that is the final look. I'm just gonna spray myself. I'm not even doing anything today. I'm all glammed out and I'm not even doing anything today. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I love Boxycharm. My pretty little box. Every time the mailman comes, I'm like super excited. Like literally today I stalked the mailman. Like I was on the phone with my friend and it came and I literally like watched him put it in the mailbox, and then as soon as he put it in, I like ran out to the mailbox. Yeah, I'm a nerd. I'm makeup junkie. It's fine. It's totally fine. But yeah, I know there's no waitlist right now, which is like huge. I had to wait like 2 months to even get into this subscription. So if you guys are interested, I would definitely say sign up right now. I still have swatches on me. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I love having you. I love seeing all the views. I love seeing all the likes. I love seeing my subscribers. Even though I think some of you have dropped out already, which is sad. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what you want to see, if you guys like this video, blah, 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 comment. I love comments. They're my favorite things in the whole world. And yeah, I hope to see you guys later. Bye.